My name is Christian with Ace Appliance out of Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. So today we're working on a bottom mount refrigerator that's made by Whirlpool. The customer complaint is that there is a bearing noise and that the top refrigerator seal here isn't making a complete contact with the cabinet of the unit, so it's leaking out cooler air and the warm air is going in, which is causing the unit to run more and making it less efficient. So I've noticed that the top of the refrigerator is actually the part that is not sealing. It looks like the top hinge here on the left side has a minor adjustment we could do. We're going to go ahead and try to make the adjustment to see if it helps out any at all. Maybe not. I would say so. And the adjustment did work. So it looks like just over time what happened was this is probably the average height that most customers open the door from. So they're pulling up here on the top part of the door, which is causing this hinge to slowly gap forward over time.
Why did the bottom open when you open the top?
Oh, maybe that's why, huh? I didn't even notice that. Let's push it this way some. Right there, thank you, sir. Should be good. Yep. Yes, that is good. All right. So, the noise though, the main complaint we were out here for is the bearing of the fan motor. You can hear it, it's going out. So, the fan motor needs to be replaced. It's one complete unit. Customer is also concerned about her seal here. It looks like it's rust. It's just, there's a bunch of rust buildup on it. Probably from the condensation from the fresh food section leaking off the gasket here, dripping onto the metal, and that's probably what's causing it to rust. So we made a minor adjustment to the top hinge for the fresh food section door. Now the seal is making a complete seal on all sides, so that's a successful repair there. This also needs a fan motor. The bearing in the fan motor is starting to fail. It's making noise. It's probably causing the fan to wobble, which is also probably causing some noise. Another complaint is the gasket here has rust stains. The customer wants to get a pricing on that. There's nothing wrong with the gasket. It's making a complete seal, but it's the stain she's concerned about. So we're going to go ahead and go look up the parts. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.